the most common problem everyone has whenever they start something, they see a problem and they just look for the most less resistance path
Mm,
to to basically approach
mm,
that problem. And most of
mm,
the time it is, I don't know how to do it.
mm.
I'm facing this issue, I don't know how to do it. I don't know about this, I don't know about that. But
Mm,
if you have to give your girlfriend something
mm.
and there is no delivery in that particular location, you will
Uh,
find out a website who delivers
yeah,
there, or
for
you
sure,
go there and you will
for
deliver.
sure, for sure. So, hello, another Homo sapiens. You are here, my friend, because you believe in practicality and learning from others and not some bullshit motivation. So, we are not doing that here. All right. So, आज के हमारे guest is a computer science engineer who opted for data analysis and then turned dropshipper. And now, after doing it for 4 years, we can call him an e-commerce expert. With that, let's welcome Nivesh Arora, or as internet knows him, Nick Arora. Welcome, Nick. Welcome to another Homo
So
sapien
thank you
podcast.
so much. First of all, I would say Nick Arora only because Nivesh Arora has become a foreign name for me.
Okay.
Actually, when I started my engineering, like that name got, the
It's just in the
inception of the
papers now.
name. Not in the papers, it's all over social media, and I think social media is more kind of a my thing now rather than all those documents which I have to present to the government. But I really believe that Nick has been the only name. Like I actually want my even my family and my friends calls me Nick. They don't even some of my friends, they are friends with me for more than 10 years. They don't know my real
अच्छा,
name.
अच्छा.
So for that fact, I would say yeah, Nick Arora is the name I would like to be
Okay,
go
okay.
for. If I can even
So,
change those names on my passport and everything, I would gladly do it. But right now, I have to go through a lot of mess. Like
yeah, yeah.
so many documents, so many registries and everything.
तो अभी
So
Nick
yeah,
बोलते हैं. So welcome, Nick.
yeah, it's yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
First of all, this is a kind of a funny question, but because आप पंजाब में रह चुके हैं, तो ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ आंदी है भाजी थोड़ी बहुत.
Yeah, जी, हाँ जी, हाँ जी. मैं पंजाबी यहाँ.
अच्छा नहीं पंजाबी.
I'm Arora.
Yeah,
I'm
yeah, yeah,
Arora. So
yeah,
Aroras are actually Punjabi.
yeah.
But we are not gonna do this in
No, no,
Punjabi.
no,
Otherwise, the
no,
people
no, no,
will
no,
gonna
no.
be freaking out, right?
Yeah,
But
yeah.
but I would love to do in Punjabi a podcast anytime, any day. And there's a funny scenario. Uh, in my last to last company, actually the first company I was in.
Mm-hmm.
So my TL, uh, she was a Sardani.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So she was not aware about the fact that okay, I'm a Punjabi and I know Punjabi. And when she came to know about that, all
Mm-hmm.
the team meetings, everything on the floor, we only talked in Punjabi. Even in like the most professional meetings we went into, if we have like 5 people inside that, and me and like her both talking in Punjabi, and the rest of the guys like, oh, let them do all the thing. Like they don't understand a thing about that, right? So yeah, so
Okay, let's
all
start
time.
with the real question.
Yeah.
Let's start with the real question. So if someone wants to find their way into e-commerce, अभी उनको बिल्कुल knowledge नहीं है. Let's say, take an example of me. So I don't have any knowledge of e-commerce. I just know that this is something that we can do on the internet, through which हम लोग, like we can generate money or we can generate income. This is all I know. So step by
Yeah.
step process to know about it, and there are some sub questions, but for now there are some step by step process.
So I would say the most, whatever you want to go into right now, we have such a huge knowledge base of,
Exactly.
internet videos out there.
Yes.
A lot of content is there. It's not structured, but there is a
Yes.
lot of content out there.
Yes. For sure.
And if you really want to dig into this, you have to submerge yourself into this, like all in.
Mm-hmm.
And if you are the guy who is actually ready to, do this for
Mm-hmm.
real,
Mm-hmm.
then, you know, you will understand the whole process within a week, like how actually it is done, not the technicality of it, but at least the process of it. So I would say YouTube, like there are a lot of good guys on YouTube sharing a lot of good information actually for free, including myself. So what
There
we
will be
can
a
do
link in
is,
the
so
description, by the way.
yeah, so and for the fact, so this is something which is, I think, might feel like a brag, but I made the whole course which I had and which I was selling it for $997, and it is $997. And I made it totally free so that people can actually sign up,
Mm.
learn, and they can start this process and they can understand the mindset about e-commerce, not about just drop shipping, not about just Facebook ads, not just about Shopify. It's about the e-commerce.
Yes.
And I'm very glad to know this, that now 8,300 people, the last time I checked,
Mm.
yesterday night, it was like 8,300 plus people have enrolled in that course.
Mhm.
And they are actually now able to understand, okay, how it takes, where we can start, what are the steps by steps process to do it. But even if there is no course, even if there is nothing, you can obviously find out the answers, how to get it, how to get started with this, just by doing some common searches on Google or on YouTube. Honestly speaking, like, there's no rocket science to it, but it's like, you don't know what you don't know.
So that's what we are trained for. हमारे school system में हमें सिखाया जाता है, like we are spoon fed it.
True.
We need exactly everything right in our plates, right? So that's that I know कि Google पे आप कुछ भी लिखो, you can find any answer on Google right now.
Any.
If you want to figure out, you will figure out. But in this
Yeah.
15-20 minutes video, or how long जितना भी लंबी खिंचती है, I just wanna state it for someone for step by step process. So you said first step would be learn about the thing, like what is it exactly, what is drop shipping, what is e-commerce. So
Yeah.
go on YouTube and watch all of the videos. It will take you around a week. You will get to know what is
Yeah.
the concept.
Yeah.
And so let's get into it. What are the skills that are needed for e-commerce, or what are the skills that you have used?
I think the most basic skill you would need is how to use a laptop and a Google search. Simple
Okay.
as that, honestly. Because if you know that skill,
Mm-hmm.
and if you are ready to do that, I think any skill apart from those two skills you can learn. Like, if you want to know how to open up a Shopify store for your e-commerce brand, you can learn that, but you know how to look for that. And
Mm.
if you have the basics of computer, which I believe that in 2020 most of the users of social media, they know how to do it,
They
right?
have.
So if they know that one thing, I see no reason they cannot start, or they don't have a skill to do it. You don't really have to be a coder to
Mm.
do coding at this particular time, because there are so many softwares out there. There
Yes.
are so many, editors out there which can make your life super easy. There are courses which you can even buy for 1,500 rupees, and you can learn PHP or whatever it is.
Yes.
Back in 2017, when
Mm-hmm.
even I was a computer engineer and I have to learn how to code something in JavaScript, and which I
Mm-hmm.
haven't done in my college,
Mm-hmm.
I can just go to W3 Schools, which was a
Yes.
popular website back
Mhm.
then. I'm not sure about right now.
It is.
But so it's all about just,
Mhm.
I think the most common problem everyone has whenever they start something, they see a problem and they just look for the most less resistance path
Mm.
to to basically approach
Mm.
that problem. And most of
Mm.
the time it is, I don't know how to do it.
Mm. Mm.
I'm facing this issue, I don't know how to do it. I don't know about this, I don't know about that. But
Mm.
if you have to give your girlfriend something
Mm.
and there is no delivery in that particular location, you will
Uh,
find out a website who delivers
yes,
there, or
for
you
sure,
go there and you will
for
deliver it,
sure, for sure.
right? You will
Uh,
do whatever it takes.
yeah. Just taking a worse analogy, if there is some medical emergency at your house, you will do anything to, just come over it. So, or
Yeah.
probably if this is too hard for someone, then when there is a financial problem, we have seen a lot of people going through hardships, which they
Yeah.
don't like. They don't like to go through,
Yeah. Yeah.
but they have to, right?
Yeah.
So it for me, everything boils down to how bad you want it. If you want it, you
Yeah.
will find a way sooner or later. So
Exactly.
internet connection,
Yeah.
curiosity, ability to go through hardships. So these are the things that you are
Yeah.
saying.
Yeah, because see, there's a term in the marketing field which is gun on the head marketing, something like that. You
Yes,
know,
yes,
like, if suppose you don't know how to make a website,
yes.
someone puts a gun on your head and say, or maybe puts the gun on your beloved one and
Yes.
say, complete a website, do it in 24 hours, or I will shoot it.
Yeah.
You will do whatever it takes to build up
Yes.
that website, no matter
Yes.
what.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So I believe that, it's all about you. So if I have this burning desire within me to
Mm.
do it, and
Mm.
if I have like actually,
Mm-hmm.
talk talk to myself actually within,
Mm-hmm.
like I have made that decision within myself that okay, I have to do it no matter
Mm-hmm.
what. I
Mm-hmm.
have to do it. There's no other way. I have to
Yes.
pay my rents. There's no other way. I have to put
Yes.
food on the table. There's no other way.
Yes.
And you are the kind of guy who is ethical, who don't want to go into that particular
Mm.
wrong path. But if you know how, like, we all know how to do it. At
Yes.
the end, at the core of the heart, we all know
Yes.
uh, where to find the answers.
Yes.
Everyone knows that.
Yes.
uh, Especially this particular generation, everyone knows that. But it's just that the resistance is, human mind is not designed to take the pain.
Yeah, we are not. We are not. We are
Yeah,
seeking
so it is.
comfort. We are.
Yeah, it will just look for comfortable stuff, right? So if I have a Facebook group,
Mm-hmm.
and PayPal, you are not able to make a payment on, you are not able to receive a payment on PayPal. The
Mm-hmm.
most easiest part for you is to go and just put up that question on the Facebook group, rather than check the support of PayPal, and
Yeah.
they might have that particular thing
Yeah.
already listed as the
Yeah.
FAQ
For
on.
sure. For sure.
I have, like, I know for the fact, back in 2016,
Mm-hmm.
and this was, I think that's what an entrepreneur is
Mm-hmm.
in reality. So back then there was a thing like to checkout. There's a payment gateway, and um, the only, like, there were PayPal and the two checkout. So I need to get to the two checkout. I don't know how to basically sign up for two checkout. I don't know what kind of documents are required for two checkout. And there was like no Facebook group who actually were talking about two checkout at that particular time, 2016 March. And what I did was, I basically just go with the flow. Like whatever they are asking, I'm just doing that. It's so
Mm-hmm.
simple. Like it's,
Mm-hmm.
they will give you the email
Yes.
for the support. You can just write an email to the
Yeah.
support.
Yes.
Okay, what are the documents do you guys need?
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm
Yeah. Yeah.
just an
Done that. Yeah.
individual.
Yeah. So,
Yeah,
like the thing that I'm getting from you is like the skills or the things that you can't find is already there. So don't cry about that. Now work on your
yeah,
mindset. How bad you actually want it. If you have internet and if you have a working laptop or whatever
yeah,
a system, even mobile these days, there is no excuse. It all boils down to this.
exactly.
If you're
I
watching,
don't actually, I don't.
if someone is
Yeah,
watching this or even someone is listening to this, then you have no excuse. As simple as that.
exactly. Even if someone do not have a laptop, so I see this question a lot. I don't have a laptop. Can I
Mm,
start it from a mobile phone?
yeah.
I would actually say to that guy that you can obviously, if you don't have a laptop, you can right now have a laptop on a rent by paying a
Yes.
very small fraction of fees.
Yes.
You can, you can even buy a second-hand laptop from Nehru Place if you are in Delhi.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
You can, if you are using a 15,000 phone,
Yeah.
just sell that phone and get a laptop for 5,000 from Nehru Place. You can get that.
Yeah. 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 Yeah.
You know, so those kind of stuff is there. You can look up for OLX and get those laptops and whatever things you need.
Yeah.
Actually, it is doable. I've seen and heard good stories about guys who were doing internet marketing when there was like no 3G. Just
Okay.
imagine
Wow.
working on 2G and
Uh,
working on a laptop and doing internet marketing. Like, you won't be able to do it right now looking at
there is
all
a
the
very bad
comfort. Like we
analogy.
have a,
There is a very bad
yeah, we
analogy, but
have a,
people used to watch porn on 2Gs, right? So if they can do
yeah.
it, if they can do that, then they can definitely find a way to do this.
I remember back in 2008 or 9, there
Hmm.
was a Airtel plan for 500 rupees, and that was 1 GB, I guess, for the entire month, and that to be 2G.
Okay. Yeah, yeah.
And it takes a lot of time to even connect to the internet, because that time to connect to the internet you have to first plug in your cable with the system, and then you have to
Yeah, yeah.
install a
The dial-up
software, and then
connection.
it has to do a dial-up
Yes,
connection.
yes.
So it's the more comfortable it gets,
Yeah,
the actually it's more difficult for someone to take action. This
yeah.
is what my belief is. Um, because the more comfortable we are in a situation, the less hustle we do.
Mm,
But
mm,
the more hustle we do,
mm,
and the less number of options we have,
yes.
I think the better options, like the better
The
outcomes
easier
they're
the
going to be.
easier it's to achieve that path that you're looking for. So let's boil it to जो मैंने बोला था step by step process. So first thing, you don't have excuses. So get back to your mindset, good mindset. ठीक है. दूसरा चीज, if you want information, because this is also a problem right now. There is a plenty of plenty of bullshit videos on the internet that people are just
It's
like,
overloaded.
so people like you, like, your channel will be in the description, but people like you are making videos which are like, okay, do this and you will get results. And now you are on the path, and now you figure it out, because once you get the result, वो भी जो भी $10 $50 $100, once you get that dollars, तो उसके बाद like, you will figure it. Now it's, it's possible. Now you can, so one can find a video, those kind of videos on your video YouTube channel. और उसके बाद skills, when it comes to skills, I have taken another interview and he said कि marketing skills बहुत ज़्यादा important है. Product, yes, you can find a product. So product research, he said marketing skills, and then the third thing that you need is basic internet, like Shopify setup karna and all of that stuff. So these are the three things that he mentioned in the video. Now,
See, marketing skills, I would say, for the marketing skills, I would say, that see, and not everyone has that kind of a skill. I never had those skills of marketing, but the more you get into this, you learn those skills automatically. You learn about
yes.
that, you
How,
see that, you
okay,
observe
how
it.
to actually go about it? So even when you don't have any idea, I always recommend कि YouTube पे जाके जितनी videos हैं, 3 दिन लगाओ,
Yeah,
सारी videos देख लो. You have an idea now.
yeah,
Now get into
yeah,
the community, get into the Facebook groups, get into the, like, Instagram, like, pages that are there. You'll get a lot of information from that. So get into the group of people who are already talking about it. So this is the second step. The third step that I always recommended: start doing it. Like,
yeah.
now you have an idea now, and between people that are already doing it, now just start doing it. Even if you spend like, अभी तो वो ज़्यादा हो गया, like somewhere around 85 per day हो गया, अगर 85 rupees per day अगर Facebook पे spend करना है, but it's just 85. Now you don't even have to spend it. Just create a business account and you will get to see all of the options. And now when you're little bit confident, then get a client, or maybe, like, when you're actually confident, so spend money of the clients. So that is what I have done,
So,
and I have said it.
so yeah. So recently, one of the guy actually, jumped on a IG live, which I do every single day at 8 p.m. And
Mhm,
that guy actually told me, sir, I just have like 5,000 to 6,000 rupees. Can
mhm,
I start drop shipping? And I
mhm,
told him, you cannot at this particular point. If you have to ask me, the money is actually kind of very less.
mhm.
To have some concrete results coming in, or even see what is happening in e-commerce. So what he did, it took him, I think, less than 2 or 3 weeks. He
Mhm,
went to Fiverr,
mhm.
created a seller account. He
Yeah.
started doing designing,
Mhm.
and now he has like $1,500 with him to invest.
Wow.
That's it.
Wow.
And he actually came back to me and he said, and he wrote a DM to me that, sir, thank you so much for motivating me.
Mhm,
Actually, I did the same thing which you told me, and
mhm.
now I have like $1,500, something around that, and uh, I I will be investing that money. So
Yeah.
now,
Yeah.
actually, that guy did the same thing which I did back in 2016. So I had a job that
Yes.
was there, and I make it very sure that whatever money I'm getting from that job, I'm just gonna keep the rent and my necessities, and rest I'm gonna reinvest. But I knew that for the fact that the amount which I have is actually less to basically get some results and keep it going. But I know that even if I spend $1,000, there is no surety that I will get the profit, because
Yes.
you have to invest in your learning.
Yes.
So what I did was, I was selling PBNs, websites, expired domains. So
Mhm,
I was, working for 5 to 8 hours a day apart from my job, and
mhm,
I was getting those domain names extracted at the night, like in the night. And
mhm,
uh, and when once, like, I had a software which I learned for extraction, and in the morning take all the files and I sort that out and find out the old what are the good
Yes.
domains are, and then I was active in a lot of different Facebook groups back
Yes.
then.
Yes.
Those guys who were like interested in buying PBNs, and I was selling my PBNs, started $10, then went to $15 a website,
Mm.
then even to 20, 25, 35, and so
Wow.
on.